I will show you on how you can go ahead and get Midjourney Lifetime for free. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, if we go ahead and open up Midjourney.com and if we sign up for an account inside Midjourney, you will go ahead and see that there are a lot of amazing creations inside this website right here. But if we navigate through their subscription, we will then go ahead and get these shocking prices right here. We have our basic plan for $8 per month, which will get you limited generations, general commercial terms, access to memory gallery, optimal credit top-ups, and 3 concurrent fast jobs. So the way to go ahead and get a lifetime in Midjourney is by heading over to the Prompt Jungle webpage. It's this one right here. Here you can just go ahead and open up their link tree, Prompt Jungle. Now, after clicking on their Discord link, you will go ahead and see that. Welcome to Prompt Jungle. Engage with AI, generate free Midjourney images in relaxed mode. So you can just go ahead and open up this specific server right here and you will be able to generate free Midjourney images. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.